Mami Mao Akwaba Eba Ghana SMTVGH and say happy new month to you also. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for following us, and thank you for commenting. Thank you so much. Asema Eba Besi wa NDC Mudie. Media. I'm just a spectator. I'm not part of NDC. I don't have their card. I've never been part of NDC. I don't think I will ever be part of NDC also. Now, beyond everything, I mean, NDC are our opponent, and I'm interested in whatever happens in NDC. Now, demolitions be because of Accra. Yeah. Demolitions be because of. Now, demolitions are because of. We are hearing, say, allegedly, some of them are politically motivated. Because video be by earlier on, Obi complaining say, owner of a house be a NDC appointee. Now, the next neighbor no, now say no no share any kasa. Now NDC appointee no akwa bubu that next person dying. Circulated online. I'm sure you might have come across it. Now after that video no, and I will say yes and demolitions be say go for be see dying war, mum wording be a friend all those things. Now what is the video that has come out and he say Papa be a friend of Kobe Mensa. Or see onu oye NDC can say I'm from Grazing. Oye NDC was car modi share party moon. A dinner escaping me. I don't know why. I think I'm getting hungry. Because I'm hungry, please. Kindly donate, Kindly donate. Come with me. Come dear. Now it's not easy to survive under John Dramani Mahama as president. Everything is up. Electricity, I use the app. It's a network no cry. Na mikasana me light in Sweden. Same light edum. Enti asema ba. But I have to continue. I will not stop. Right? Enti osi onu ko besa no. Or a financier, party financier, or the Nisika share NDC moi towards NDC's victory. But the CIA Kassan as industry about power no. Minister no ne NMC no. On be bubu ni fie, on be bubu ni die. Almost mo man no kwan so on sisa dying person we see. And to see obe sue minister no. Now it's sue MC no. And it's also be sue MP no. Now be sue MC so. And to obe or the odombe court. Now where the home match NDC for na monyan talk and I mean me go calm design. All I can do is to report to you whatever happens, and so I'll follow on it. And when whatever happens in court, I remember I catch them. About the people they are showing their own self-swear power lies. I mean, say me report to family. Yo.
I could be Mensa. I sponsor the party when we are in opposition. I sponsor the party with my money, my resources. National executive, they are well. So if I sponsor the party to come to power, and the party will appoint me minister and MC, and they will hunt me to intimidate me that they don't want me to do anything here. I'm going to sue the MC and I'll sue the MP. I'll make sure the law will take control. I could be Mensa. I sponsor the party when we are in opposition.
Ebusian for baby bia or Ghana habia. Se ope photographers omunim juma. Ebano editing, omutra pictures, omu cameras, akesie, lenses akesie, omu drones, ni bibia ope biano. A touch of the way photography for naba air screen so as I contact you say yeah a wedding, funeral, birthday party. And I say as I see being put now one person who hear drone video, in drone pictures of assassina. But more than say I contact the touch of the way photography. Baby upe so muye jumano mau gonna have a piano. Omu claro no me yamau. And I'm very, very, very affordable. So, upesa a birthday photo shoot. what more manoni, but so surprise you be with a birthday photo shooter. Very important. But more they say only touch of the way photography for wedding como. And they catch them say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend it. Once when I can say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend you mupe. When you have the special discount.
Munsu pa John Mahama abeto de egu Ghana for so e no muso bi no. Hwe. Ewi ase yese se ye ma won hene na se wanje akwa nkra ye den ebo.
Yeah.
Ghana for ye ho se pampered spoiled children bia. Je say MPP ama onwe tasty goodness into omfa MPP nyehwe and then make asem ya kire obi a ayi me de say doctor wa psychologically philosophically bibia wo de bam ama me kire wade oba usually bema usually wo be kun ho aye bibia ama no usually they are the ones that don't take you for nothing. Dia office we dia meti bia di keke we dia ya nam dia pa menum no. I'm telling you this out of experience and out of what the truth is. Minia, share to not bore anybody here. Ye wo kromuha, and na papa John Dramani Mahama. Obedi president 2013. Minia, obedi president no. Sa trumu asemi enye se mpeja niti o, epeja niti.
Yeah.
Because obekaya headmasters ya na wo boy schools ni ade start be complain isa na dwe ye na obetena nkoda ni bi su form amfo yi wo ba wo de na akona ayi agesunum akanesi toilet no so wo akoda turum kun koda yi. So it was raised at that time. Funny enough, you know who was leading the charge of the NDC? Sam George.
Yeah.
Tiye ba ebredu ya ye bisa Sam George no mo say, what are you people going to do to help this? Sam George say, there are better things the president is thinking about. The president is thinking about bread and butter, not what somebody is doing in their room. This was Sam George.
Yeah.
In government, like the first Mahama government. And fast forward, yaba yenime baby to 2020 year in never. Then the LGBT thing comes again. Funny enough, the man who was bold enough to tell the whole Asofwani CSU's name in our say, so long as I make Kwekwa Dankwa, metese kunya we so die. Oba ni wo ben tumi nkoware na be ma ne be men tumi ware esan say esi supi say ye mera article 29 no kura ka sa ade we no sabe criminal offensive act 29 no kwa o kire wo say wo yire kura sabe o mpreduasa woni ne tifie no Richie etoda na wo ye mistake na wan fa right place na wo fa wrong place na so oba ne mpe na wo koka ye tumi ti wo de wutum 1 year obi anko check sa e law no.
Yo.
Wa we yiri o yes untumi mfa ne den untumi mfa ne ba bi sabe ekwan wo page ne ye big ntimi mpese meye basa ha so what you say but minim say me ken omunim de ete now the same Sam George, the same Okujato Blokwa, after Nanado has promised and made a pledge, said that will not happen, no, rather went to market and say, Nanado Danko Kufuado is what? Is gay and or no support to gay for no, this is what they were doing. Now, you know what is sad about this whole thing when it comes to Nanado? Nanado na yes or no, yes, sebi, trumu president, no. Na pen so be man be man be kisi wo Ghana bedwam entwa video da. Nanado na ye ka kire yes wo no na epe no. Ye hu se gay for say ye koye party wo baby. The last time a gay for started say ye party wo baby mo kaya Nanado time so ye the police folk ready ho se mo kaya. If you people remember, I forgot the year, but yes, we took police to raid the place. Is it alone? No. There are existing laws that a wo where chere say oba no wo ban to me nware be ma ne be men to me ware e wo ye mere mu dada Archbishop meet mama e wo ye mere mu dada Papa Rich e wo ye mere mu dada ntinye afa na obi di bibi ko ba say ye de ko bra bibi ye mere na bra dada na mmom ebi no say And I'm so chin a one shed down your dintino. A young uncle for you free. I rouse somewhere woman, many animal Jamestown fan cheme. But to call Jamestown no choco side the war. Media crana met 90 and no minim. Minia, Sa squad na ni go baby. Inti a idea sebio, it is going on and now you want to enforce it. No problem. Omo sponsor private member bill na tio. Na ono Sam George ne nkro for no essay. Se obi te said the amenia voice here doctor. Se obi or yes say ni penny bi ban ho begia yaresa na ohwe na yemfa ne ntum. Doesn't that breach human rights? Everyone has a right to health.
Sure.
And life. Inti sa woka kire me say menua voice any obi akokasa anaso oni obi akodi nkomo na onipa ne ye yinti na obeche na. That is wrong. Ebi o ye say me ma ba so kwa be rent me compound house a menim se kwadwo bese bi tifie ho. Tio me nim o. Say mama me kan chiro om se kwadwo bese tifie ho na one day om find se kwadwo bese tifie ho a ye ne aye wo ni na ye beche ye ma ye wa ye. Listen to what these people were trying to give a Akufo-Addo to sign. Richie, I want you people to open your eyes and look how demonic that NDC party is. Look at what they wanted the man to sign. Knowing very well, say, anybody that know friends of Ghana, San Crawford, no, almost support to you, and Rollins the time. Rollins the time, Nina, no almost support to you. Back in the days before Rollins, no almost support to you. Inti enya faith and yes, it was them. Their representative was the one that came to settle that thing with you. Otumfo omo nim na enim. Omo nim na enim. Ya keka ya ese yen ya de komenya mekase ese nya mekase be kama yen.
Omo community na command.
Asana Rollins says so dey free komenya so.
Omo papa be controlling the world now. It's a serious big community in the whole world.
Yo.
And they are rich.
They are the most they are the most powerful. I live in Canada, my brother. I live in Canada. Richie, I could tell you on I hope so World Cup where you are coming. I want to see you. Me say,
yeah, I mean I'm US already. I feel like saying no.
I'm talking about Rich, Papa Rich.
Yeah.
These people went to a step further crepo to say, Fanese obi ye saadi ni bi na ebia first you say akrobeto no ma de no mo ye costuming inti be makra no mutumi dress no ba no mo de na ye act. These people were trying to criminalize all of that.
Sure.
Eno nti omo ye ho adwuma o parliament no, and Reverend, I promise to obey me some documents. I hope he gives me now. When I resume, I can put them out there.
Okay.
Committee minutes, you take it wasn't supposed to be that strict too. Now, when say you have election year, no, and no use that as a tool to push things in to make that bill the worst thing to ever happen. Fast forward.
So the now Reverend, I don't know one fight is happening out.
You fight on committee. I say it is a government both of you are running. Say who go and NDC and MPP but that is a government. Government because you are
because minority.
Exactly. You see, so for me, I'm like that wasn't even the main thing. My problem came when Sam George marched children on the street of Accra. Say, Nanado and sign LGBT law. Now. One sign and now one just say oye trumu. And momo chro ma omo communication phone na say okwa akoka say JB dan kwa wo fa CB do well ending Akufo-Addo ne kwatena ye na omu di ne to enti no no ye oye nkwasi asem we yet na radio ni TV so kekai. All because say na ye the power. No problem. Okotena GH1 can say the president just need a few days na sadia no mobile power they will sign it. Owie ye no ko onua TV so onua ho radio ho no e no ko can say yen Ghana ye mra na ye hyehye ye no They are so bit to feel no again no one can say on beba bet you are two no say Kenya for befa. Na dia Kenya for pepe free one need Kenya for any back free.
Yeah, YFM. Sorry, 3FM.
Yes. The any back and yet I'm free. Hey, and Talemudi powerful pound. So be better to have more your document pass once such a crowd. Forgetting say the wedding must also suit to the laws of the what of the country. You see how stupid they are? They just argue blindly. Kenya for laws are running on the country, and on a Ghana. And every bill you pass must be in accordance with the constitution. Is the constitution of Kenya the same as constitution of Ghana?
No.
So how the hell do we sit down for some judge to come and tell us, say, all the Kenyans did was to change the name? What about the wedding? How we address our constituents, how we address our cases, it's not a same as what the Kenyans will do. But they were able to sell. Yes, but they were able.
I don't quite get you. Like, I don't quite get you. Kenya for never still.
Some judges said, some judges said, Kenya for no, almost say a coup for the one sign. Kenya for befa, the almost paper free, why you dino.
And so why?
In fact, he actually said, the minister then contacted him and only released the document in the demand. That is worse. Yeah.
Why then the need for amendment?
Nana, me patch lawyer for her and come mami. Richie, when him says a breach of our constitution, you have shared our document. You have given our document to a next nation. You see, they speak with foolishness, but my God, Richie, these NDC people, they talk out of their ass. They have no sense in their head. Because for me, your critical thing to be a baby, I say, then a Ghana for Shemra. Na Kenya for befa. One fan to form constitution. No more the omo pepe dini keke. No more mbra. What be that?
No. It's not a breach of anything. Because it's an introductory something. We are yet to introduce it.
Me say, or no, the obeka no. There are some judge beka ye can.
I'm looking at it from the Kenyan.
Now me says, may can there some judge go can read you so you're making it look like say it was the best deal ever.
Now, I think I have it. So it's here.
Okay. But to refresh us. So what
I understand the whole thing I will explain, but the concern is if the Kenyans have come to borrow, when we're in America, it had been introduced. It wasn't, it was a bill, some way or the other, and a law. They can come get it. Nana
it was done in accordance with our constitution, yes or no?
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. But it was a private.
Try. Just give me a chance. 2. Ghana, yes. Ghana and Kenya, do we have the same constitution?
No, it's an AU thing. We all
now even AU no cry their clauses here. Me patcho mama and yamani bu mama yemen in that clear. No be tia with the okokan. Even with the AU no say yeah implementing free education no. So who they are, like the countries nearby what was done. They did it to fit their system, to fit their constitution, to fit what works for them. It's not a one size fits all. I want us to make that clear.
This is quite surprising to me because let me feel say